Forget Black Friday, forget Cyber Monday. If you're using Fusion in Resolve or standalone, there's only one day that matters to you, Fuseday. Now you might be asking, what is Fuseday? Well, Fuseday is just like any old regular Tuesday except for all things Fusion. On Fusedays I will be posting tips, tricks, tutorials, video responses to forum questions and the occasional macro on this channel. As for my credentials, you can tell I'm an expert because of the nice glowing light on the back of my studio wall, but more importantly, I have been using Fusion for over 25 years. I've single-handedly done over 500 visual effects shots for more than 7 feature films, all inside of Fusion, and I have created tutorials on Fusion for action VFX and for my own YouTube channel. You might also have seen one or more of my Charlie videos. At this point in time, I don't know yet with what frequency I will be posting, but check back here every Tuesday to see if there's a new video. Or you can just subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon to receive notifications about Fuseday. One more thing, I will also be taking questions and requests, so if there's anything you'd like to know and can't figure out on your own, just put your question in the comments below. And if I know the answer and have the time, I will do a quick and dirty tutorial about it. So that's all I have to say for now. I will see all of you next Tuesday when I will release a little something I've been working on for a while. A macro to help you crop an image in Fusion or Resolve in a visual way. So that's coming up next Tuesday, along with my new catchphrase that I haven't really come up with yet. So join me for all things Fusion and Resolve.